There's also telecom to talk to. Jio has signed a deal with Elon Musk owned Starlink, a move that could have major implications for the future of satellite communications in India. Somit Johnson with the details. Somit.
Well, yes, Jio and Airtel both have signed a partnership with Starlink where they will be selling and marketing Starlink's products and equipments. Now, the opportunity for this product in Indian market is huge, but the success of this will be dependent on one binary factor. Now, if you look at the opportunity, nearly 30% of the India's population do not have a full-fledged internet access currently. Out of the 1.4 billion population, nearly 400 million people still do not have a full-fledged internet connection, and this product could solve that issue, given the fact that laying fiber in India is quite difficult given the lay of land that is there in the country. Apart from that, this going forward, they could also launch the product where they could offer direct to cell services to both Airtel and Jio subscribers. So that could also be a big opportunity for Starlink in India. But again, the success of this product will be dependent on one binary factor, and that is pricing. Because if in India, if you look at the market, it has a rock bottom ARPU, that is the average revenue per user that the telecom company generates from one user. And if you look at the cost of Starlink or OneWeb, which also provides similar services, for Starlink in US, the cheapest mobile and broadband plan starts from around $50 and $120 per month. Apart from that, for broadband plan, users also have to pay a hardware cost of around $349, which is an upfront fees that they need to pay. Starlink also has operations in many other emerging markets and developing countries. Even in that countries, if you look at specifically Nigeria, where Starlink has the cheapest global plan of around $25 per month with a hardware cost of $262, which is the upfront fees. Even these plan is more expensive compared to what it is in India. In fact, in India, if you look at the unlimited mobile and broadband plans are offered at less than $3 and $5 per month, and for broadband plan, even users do not have to bear any hardware cost as well. So pricing would be the most important factor for the success of Starlink's product in India. Now, if pricing continues to remain at a global level, then probably the potential market for Starlink could be very niche, ultra HNI individuals. It could also find traction in defense segment or enterprise segments like healthcare and airline currently. Now, if you look at the stock impact for Airtel and Jio, sentimentally it's positive, given the fact that there won't be any competitive intensity in the market, given the fact that Starlink has a tie-up with Airtel and Jio as well, and Jio also has its own product in satellite communication, where Airtel, through its promoter entity, also has a tie-up with OneWeb. But on the earnings side, analysts are not expecting much of an upside to come in from this partnership that Jio and Airtel has done with Starlink currently.
All right, interesting. Just want to pull up what Bharti Airtel and RIL are both doing this morning. Bharti Airtel has come off after a very strong start, about 0.5% down. RIL still up in the green. A lot of reversals this morning.